Wow, yeah. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my ring light that I purchased from Amazon. And this is the Neewer ring light 18 inch. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm excited. I purchased this on Saturday, the 25th, and I received it tonight, the 28th. Yeah, the 28th. And also, too, guys, this was, I only paid $55 for this. $55. Regular price is like, what, $149? Yeah, regular price is $149. I paid $55 for it. It's not $55 anymore right now, but it is still on sale. It's 67. No, I'm sorry. It is $82.99, and you can apply a $15 coupon. So that is what I ordered, and you can see $82.99, and you just apply for that $15 coupon, and I will leave the link down below so that you can purchase you a ring light too. Alright, so this is one box, and my box was kind of beat up too, so I hope nothing is broken. So okay. Okay. Alright. So it's 3 boxes. Alright, so open this. Okay, so the instructions, customer service, contact information, and here are the covers, the translucent, I guess, the clear, and the orange. One is for your phone, and one is for like a vlogging camera. And then it comes with a remote control. How cute is that? All right, so let me open this box. This must be the tripod stand. Okay. Throw all that to the side. And it is dark outside right now, and I've been using just like a stand-up lamp. And it's been working fine, but of course, I just wanted to get a ring light. Okay, so I guess you just open it up like this. Okay. I hate putting stuff together, y'all. I really do. Okay, so. Alright, so I guess you just open this up. And then, so these right here is for the height adjustment. And you just tighten it back. And then you can do it again. So that is the highest. Wow, it's pretty high. So. This is the light. I don't know why I thought it was bigger. Okay, so let's see what I need to do here. Okay. Get out these instructions because I'm a little lost. So I'm taking this top thingy off, and I guess I just sit it. Okay. I think that's right. I'm just gonna keep this little thing just in case I ever need it. But I don't know what it's for. I don't think I'm supposed to put, I don't know. Okay, so, all right, so let me go ahead and put these on, and I will be back. All right, y'all, so you just basically just clap them on. The bottom one is the only one that's shaped different because of this at the bottom, and it has that part, so that's how you'll know that it fits for the bottom. And you just clamp them on. All right, so that is done. And then now, I need to plug it up. Okay, so connect it. So it's gonna be a pretty long cord. So connect those two pieces. Sorry, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I turned off my lamp that I was using and just turned on my table lamp. So this is the light without my tall lamp that I normally use. And I'm going to turn on the ring light. Okay. Oh, ooh, so, oh wow. Woo, ciao. So that's the brightest that it gets. Wow, yes. Yes. So it gets pretty bright. Oh my God, I love this. Yes. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Yes, so as you can see, I am in love with this, and it was so easy to put together, like seriously, because I have a hard time putting stuff together sometimes. This was very simple. But yeah, oh my God. So that is it. That's with it off. And okay, so I just turned my lamp off. Hey, hey. Yes, I love this. So cute. Mm-mm. Yep, I love this. So, poppin'. What's poppin'? Brand new. So yeah, that is all for the video. Like I said, I will leave the links down below so that you can purchase your ring light. Like I purchased this for $55, but it is still on sale. It's not $55, but I think it's like $10 more. And you can get yours too. I don't know. I doubt if I'll be using this. Oh, so this is how it looks with my regular light that I use. And I have all 5 of them on. So this is how it looks. And I'm going to show y'all what I use. So yeah, this is what I use normally when I do my videos, and it works fine, honestly. I just wanted me a ring light. That's it. But yeah, that's all for the video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys so much for supporting. Peace out.